Wow. An X amount of time, that's gonna be fully restored. So what motor's in this?
I'm a 305.
305?
I have like every single piece of paperwork on every
What's really cool is just the idea that, you know, in a little bit, this is going to be a fully restored car. It's going to look immaculate. So to do a before and after on this is definitely an opportunity and a blessing. The gauge cluster doesn't look too bad. No, the steering wheel, the lock cylinder. Probably have to clean up and replace a lot of it. Can I pop the hood? Is that something it'll do? Oh, nice. There's wasps homed in this?
They were in that door when he opened that. I felt so bad. He got stung last week.
Be an interesting story.
Oh my.
Wow. Wow. Now, okay, I see. Huh.
Nothing.
We just want it like restored to
However you can get this running. Honestly, I don't care if numbers match. I don't care.
Yeah. So
You know what I mean? Like,
how do you feel about putting an LS motor? Sounds like a good idea.
An LS motor, that would be badass.
No
that
shit?
would be, yeah. It'd just be powerful.
I trust you guys. Like, this is, I'm so not knowledgeable about any of this, so.
It's just with this crossfire injection stuff.
It's not worth it.
Terrible.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
and then the cost of rebuilding that and trying to
The parts, yeah.
still afford it.
No, whatever we need to do to get it running, that's, yeah.
Amazing. Very exciting.
It had some families of critters living in it when it was brought here.
Okay.
So it's that part of it's been cleaned out.
He's gonna come move this, throw it up to the truck, and then throw it up onto the Excursion. How'd you know an exhaust manifold leak?
You hear it.
What'd you find?
A couple small waspies.
He's getting them?
Yeah.
Are they still kicking? Oh, they are. Get them. Don't give them a chance, Todd.
Take them out.
Yep.
Slow and easy.
Yep. Just take her slow and easy.
Just straight? Yeah.
Pretty much.
Wheels are not locked up.
Gotta find out. Snap-on hammer. That's our ball hitch. Like a glove. Todd, you're doing great.
Keep going.
Keep going. You got the wheel coming off the rim over here.
Okay, that's good.
I wasn't recorded. We gotta do it again. Oh, there you go.
Go ahead and back up. Yeah, we'll get the strap off.
It worked. We get the steering. Be generous with the young man. Wasn't concerned about getting stung till I sat in it. And I was like, ooh.
Yeah.
That's just me and them. To the left.
Turn the wheel back to the left.
Yep. It could be what I did with this block. I think it is.
Yep.
Trying something new. It's definitely an experience. This
We'll get close right here.
This side's good. I feel like it would just crawl up. Yeah, shoot it over. Yep, hold up, yep. Oh, yep. You're in. That's probably pretty good.
This side fell down.
That works. That's okay.
Yeah, but we're getting close to the...
I know, but we could put something else there. Like if we just took that wood, if we put another piece of wood just like it.
Well, we may have to hold that up, so I don't want to catch it.
Okay, we can do that.
Very slowly.
Okay. Yep. Yep. Well, I think...
Might have to turn the wheel this way.
This way?
Yep. Just wanted to pull again.
Yep. Long one? So you're
I see we're pulling the ass in this way.
we can almost just pick it up. Some fan dangling. This boy's coming home with us. Yep. You're good on this side. How we looking? Catching?
She's not ready to go up.
Yeah. It looks good.
Watch that.
You underneath? You're on.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but it's aimed in the direction you want it to be. Catching on the underside?
Right up there.
Yeah.
So we need to raise the ass end up.
How?
We'll stick that big long board across there. It'll be enough.
Yep, you're bringing it up. You're bringing it up. You're doing good. Yep, you cleared that hump. You cleared the hump. You're gonna clear. Okay. It's already kind of pulling out this way. Losing power. I'll push. Give it some boost. Loaded it up, baby. Made it back to the shop. This thing's beautiful. You know, it's a pretty exciting restoration. It doesn't need too much on the body. I mean, all this is pretty fixable. It's gonna come out looking completely different. Might have to get some new parts here and there, but you know, they made so many of these cars. Maybe not the pace car, but just this model. That parts are pretty easy for these.
Yeah, there was a ton of them.
Yeah.
A lot of them are interchangeable, maybe except for the ground effect stuff and the front bumper's different.
And that's because this is a pace car?
No, it was the same as the Z28 package for 82.
Okay.
And then they went to a more of a profile on the bottoms.
Oh, wide or like more curved out?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
The doors and the fenders and pretty much everything is all interchangeable. I think we can clear up to 92, I do believe.